we go on to the big update coming in right now. Kiren Rijiju has said that, and once again talked about the Rahul Gandhi Soros link coming out. Remember that the BJP and the NDA government in the past have talked about how there is a link between the Congress and Soros. Parliamentary Affairs Minister rakes up Rahul Soros link, and this is coming in just ahead of the Parliament session, viewers. As we keep telling you more updates, let's tell you exactly what is happening. Now, Kiren Rijiju says, and he has said this earlier as well, the BJP has said this earlier as well, that there are alleged connections between Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, and the Hungarian-American businessman George Soros. And those connections are a serious concern. Let's go ahead and hear out what Union Minister Kiren Rijiju had to say.
अभी देश में जो मुद्दा सबके सामने में आए हुए हैं, गंभीर मुद्दा है। मैं मानता हूं कि कुछ मुद्दे ऐसे होते हैं जो राजनीतिक दृष्टि से हम नहीं देखना चाहिए। जॉर्ज सोरोस और उसके जो लिंक्स सामने में जो आए हैं, चाहे राहुल गांधी जी का नाम हो, चाहे सोनिया गांधी जी का नाम हो, हम इसको कांग्रेस पार्टी के रूप से भी नहीं देखते हैं। कोई भी भारतीय अगर विदेशी ताकतों के साथ जो भारत विरोधी है उनसे लिंक होते हैं और भारत का खिलाफ काम करते हैं तो गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए। हम इसको पार्टीबाजी के रूप से नहीं देखते हैं। हम हाउस चलाना चाहते हैं, अच्छी तरह से हाउस चले, हम बिल्स भी पास करेंगे, कई मुद्दे उठाना चाहते हैं। कुछ मुद्दे हैं जिसमें राजनीतिक दल अपने अपने पार्टी का सिद्धांत के मुताबिक, और कुछ इश्यूज ऐसे भी होते हैं जो पार्टी स्पेसिफिक भी होते हैं, लेकिन भारत का उभरते हुए ताकत को रोकने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत एक शक्तिशाली देश के रूप में जो उभर के आए हैं, उसको रोकने के लिए कोई भी ताकत देश के बाहर अगर काम करता है तो उसके खिलाफ हम एकजुट होकर के लड़ना चाहिए। इसलिए कांग्रेस पार्टी के जितने नेता हैं, जितने कार्यकर्ता हैं, सबको भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं, अगर उनके पार्टी के भी, कांग्रेस पार्टी के भी कोई भी नेता क्यों ना हो, अगर भारत के खिलाफ लड़ते हैं, ऐसा ताकतों के साथ पाए जाते हैं, लिंक होते हैं, तो उस पे एकजुट होकर के आवाज उठाना चाहिए।
On the 11th day of the winter session, viewers, Lok Sabha has been adjourned once again, and this time within 2 minutes, I repeat, within 2 minutes. Big update coming in right now on Republic TV, viewers. The Parliament on its 11th day of the winter session has seen Lok Sabha adjourned till noon, and within 2 minutes of the business of the House, 11 a.m. is when the Parliament session kicked off, and within 2 minutes, the proceedings were disrupted amid ruckus, major ruckus, viewers. Because today is a very important day, given the fact that there will be discussions on the Railway Amendment Bill. We will also be seeing that Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be moving the Disaster Management Bill. So today is a very important day. Within 2 minutes, the business of the House gets disrupted. I want to go to Riyanka joining us live and getting us all the updates on this. Riyanka, what happened? Who created ruckus this time around that within 2 minutes of the Lok Sabha beginning its session on the 11th day of the winter session that it had to be adjourned, the House had to be adjourned? Go ahead, Riyanka.
See, the third week of the winter session that began today, and it got marred once again with ruckus in the House and disruption that continued to be held by the opposition in the House. Lok Sabha now stands, adjourned till 12 noon, and this only after 2 minutes of the beginning of the proceedings in the House. What we are seeing in the last 2 weeks also, that there was no smooth running of both the houses, despite the meeting and a consensus being reached that there will be no such disruptions carried on. The government has also assured the opposition that whatever they are demanding, there will be discussions on the same. But the opposition wants to have the discussions on A, Manipur, B, Adani indictment issue. On these, they want the discussions to happen on priority, which is why there has been disruptions in the houses, in both the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And today, in just 2 minutes of the beginning of the House, Lok Sabha goes adjourned because of the ruckus that is being created by the opposition parties. In fact, the opposition goes on to protest about these very issues that they want for discussion in the houses. On the other hand, we have seen time and again the centre calling for peaceful running of business in the houses. There are several important bills that need to be tabled, bills that need to be passed and discussed, but none of it is happening for 2 weeks plus 1 day, which begins for the third week of the winter session. It is to be seen what happens next for Lok Sabha at around 12 noon, whether or not there will be any business that will be conducted. That is something that needs to be seen at 12.